Hey, it's Cliff here. Today we're going to explore the possibilities of using AI specifically as a chatbot in high level. So basically, today we're going to work on an example client. Um, you're going to see it's a government agency. And the reason I'm using this as an example is because they have a lot of resources on their website. So what I'm hoping to do is plug in a URL and let the AI do its thing. Now we know that AI is not perfect. It has a tendency to do hallucinations, basically make up false information that sounds accurate. So we're just going to explore. This is a brand new sub account. There's no historical data in it. I just created it, and I'm just going to explore and have you tag along. So this is the Oklahoma Real Estate Commission. Going to copy the URL and going to go through a couple links to see what the link patterns are. Conversation AI. Again, I have not been in here at all. I have not changed it. This is what the current defaults are as of April 17, 2024. So when you come in here, this is what you'll see as well. I don't have a phone number in this sub account. I'm going to take out SMS and I'm only going to do live chat. Okay, 25 is the most that it can respond to. So um, this is not an infinite loop chat, apparently. It's only up to 25 messages before the conversation is marked red, and then it can start up its new loop of 25. Now, on your business and your context, you might want it very high or very low. Again, this is just for testing. So 2 cents per response. That'll add up. Let's say we have 1,000 responses, $20. Kind of expensive, to be honest. If you have your own ChatGPT, OpenAI AI key, I believe the cost is quite a bit less. However, I'm not sure which AI engine, if you will, they're using behind the scenes. So maybe these are all on GPT-4. I don't know. This is okay. So in my opinion, the bot training tab should be before the bot trial tab. Maybe that's what this is. Nope, bot trial. So let's do bot training and, add the settings here before we start testing it out. Uploaded links. Oh, okay. So we're going to, all URLs, I'm going to do exact URL because notice this one has .html, fetching pages. And that's just a single page. So let's see how long this takes. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to do not all URLs on this domain, because that would be all of oklahoma.gov, and that's not right. What we need is all of oklahoma.gov/OREC. or Oklahoma Real Estate Commission. And I wonder, there's no help here. I wonder if this one would have matched as well. All right, so I am referencing the help documentation. Let's see how good it is. Training the bot. Bot training is free of cost. Intent, general support. So currently, which means they're going to add more later, we could probably build multiple bots here. One for support or Q&A, and then one for, a different training, a different intent, stuff like that. So we'll see. Utilize the power of your bot training within workflows by using conversation AI action. Okay. With this path. All right, so I'm going to remove this and go with this, because if I add the slash, that is a path, but the .html would not be included. So I'm going to leave it like that and see if it matches the home page as well. All right, so we got an error, which is not good. Let's add our path here. Now I know that, I tested, and when I put that in the browser, it redirects to .html. So maybe that's what this is struggling with. Maybe it doesn't follow redirects, or maybe it's getting confused by only one page. I'm not sure. Man, that's frustrating. Okay, I'm going to send a support ticket in. And we'll go back to exact URL. Okay. Configure intents. We want this. Okay, you are a bot for the business name, task to assist customers. Yeah, so in my opinion, this isn't the best worded, because the typical audience coming to the home page, since that's all that we're trained on right now, which there's almost no information here, to be honest. It's all following links. It's more of a landing page. So we might do something like, where are you located? Or what's your email? I mean, there's really no other information on here. What's the link to apply for a license? And notice at the bottom left corner there, it's not on this same domain. It's from a third-party provider. So can we customize this? Oh, this is a editable area. Okay. In my opinion, I think the text box area should be more obviously a text box, but I do see the little handle here. Okay. You are a bot for the business name. task to assist. Since we're doing live chat, we're going to say website visitors with any of their general questions. Build trust and help out by referencing this is just kind of basic AI bot prompt. I'm not going to call this prompt engineering, but that's kind of what it is. Okay, you cannot help with appointment bookings, cancellations for scheduling. Why is this not editable? Oh, custom intent coming soon. Okay. And anything else? I like the idea of custom values in here. You might want to put things like your, logo and everything else. Not your logo, sorry, your, some custom values in your account settings. All right. Conversational guidelines, maintaining casual, purposeful, concise tone, mirror language and manner of speaking, attentive. Okay, so again, we are dealing with a government agency. We're not going to say things like, trust me, our team is really good at what we do. So let's get into I think these prompts are designed to be more of avoiding being perceived as a bot. In this case, that's not a concern. This is a bot, and we're going to be fairly upfront about it. Okay. This is maybe where you would want to put a custom value in your account settings for something like what is your industry, what is your area of expertise, stuff like that. Until you test it out and give it some training, you know, the the trial is what I meant. The thumbs up or thumbs down, stuff like that. Until we try it out, it's really the prompts are just a gamble. So we do our best. We'll go from there. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to ask, what is your address? We're expecting Styles Avenue number 200. Yep. I'm going to give a thumbs down. Take that out. So basically you're just playing around with it, giving it thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, we had a little smiley face in there. I mean, yeah, that's a good one. What is your help? What is your email address? Now, this one I'm curious because if we look here, they actually have an error in their email address. There's this %20, which is a space that shouldn't be there. I'm going to see if it mentions a media query. It parroted some of that language that I put in there. I don't know if I would really want an emoji right after I had a smiley face, but okay. All right. Do you have any other email addresses I should know about? Good. All right, so what's a link to apply for in Oklahoma? Yeah, I'm going to leave the typo. Real estate license. So I can be a residential realtor. Now, you know, about real estate, a realtor is different from a licensee. And this is kind of odd because in this context, and this is my fault for not prompting it this way, but this is a very good response if it was like through text. But because they're already on the website, I don't love that it keeps referring back to it. So I'm going to, oof, I don't like that. I don't like this formatting, and I don't need more and more smiley faces. And the link was wrong. I don't know if this is specific to the answer of yes. I don't like that. Let's see. What is the link to apply for an Oklahoma real estate license? Okay, so we've got a little bit more training to do. We're going to go up here. I'm hoping that that is obvious to the bot. Don't make up information. Do we have a contact us page? We do not. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's a real link. Very good. That's the right link. I like it. Wish I could give more of a feedback, like saying specifically, we don't have a contact us section on the website, but shouldn't it know that already? Oh well. It's a little wordy as well. Weird. Didn't give the phone number. All right, it is really struggling with this one. I'm not sure why. Let's get over here. Okay, so very much exact there. I'm going to change one more thing. Okay, that link works. I'm wondering if the display of this is the bug in this little chat bot prompt, sorry, testing area. I like the other response previously, to be honest. Already answered that one. Yeah, I'm going to say that my it's kind of cool. It brings the bot responses down there. Unfortunately, when I reload the page, I think all that goes away. Oh, good. So the bot trial is not continued, but these Q&As are saved for later. Hmm, that's odd. I wonder if these are affecting the results. Anyways, I don't think my prompting is the problem here. This feels very primitive. You know, could be considered in a bad way. Could just be acceptable for your use case. I don't know what is going on behind the scenes. So, let's take these prompts. Okay, so this conversation AI, this is using the data that we just put into the bot. So it's referencing the other settings. That's a little different flavor. This one is OpenAI, and you would have your AI key. All right. Analyze, summarize, translate, or custom. And in case you didn't notice, oh, it has a crown, a gold crown next to it because it is a premium action. So you don't get it for free. Let's see how much it costs. I don't really see a cost in here, but I think they're all billed at the same rate. All the gold crowns. Not that helpful. Pretty easy. Got to make sure that we allow reentry. Now this one is only able to be tested uh, based on this trigger. So let's figure out how to get that chatbot. Chat widget. Here we go. Now these are real. That's not helpful. These are, actually costing me money to test. This one is not working well. I'm guessing that either the prompt is too long or it's getting hung up on a specific instruction. I do find it odd that the total enrolled is 2. There's only 1 contact. So every message, it's looking like, oh, it's the same contact twice. Okay, that makes sense. Now the issue here is that this bot is not trained. This is just wrong. Not, whoops. I meant to take a screenshot. I messed that one up. This bot is not trained on the website. Oh, that's cool. It continued. Let's see what high level says about that. I'm going to say that I'm disappointed. I feel like this should have been way better out of the box, and I don't want to put all the fault on high level because maybe this is my first attempt on AI stuff with high level, and I waited this long on purpose because I expected it to be much better. So, anyways, yeah. I enjoyed the experiment. I think that there's room for improvement on my side, of course, like anything. But I'm not quite sure why this failed over and over. So I gave it a try, that's for sure. And it will continue getting better, that's for sure. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. I'm open to any ideas or tips. Thanks.